beautiful ladies, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you're a new viewer and you have interest in perfume, makeup, body care, skincare, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. So in today's video I will be sharing the review of my favorite perfume, my all-time favorite perfume, and that is YSL Live Intense. I am head over heels for this perfume, and why I am head over heels for this perfume I will tell you in this video, so stay tuned and watch till the end. So before I had YSL Live the original, but unfortunately I broke my perfume and I was so shattered. This time I bought YSL Live Intense, not the original one, and this is the perfume. This is YSL Live Intense, and YSL is Yves Saint Laurent, not Yves Saint Laurent. It's Yves Saint Laurent. So let's unbox it. This is the packaging. YSL Live Intense. This is the flanker to the original one, and let's talk about the packaging first. This is the bottle. Everything is so top notch. The juice color, the bottle, the YSL logo. I just love it, and this bottle speaks for itself. The bottle oozes luxury. It's going to look beautiful sitting on your vanity, and definitely a delight to look at. And for me, this is the best packaging out there. And in my entire collection, this is definitely the best packaging, the most luxurious packaging I have till date. This perfume was launched in 2020, and Dua Lipa is the face for this perfume. This perfume celebrates the free spirit of a woman who is bold, sensuous, who is bossy, and who is strong, powerful. This is the outer packaging, and this is the bottle. And I have got the 90 ml variant, which costs 11,800 rupees. Yeah, it's costly because obviously it's from the world's most leading high-end luxury brand, so it's costly, but it's worth the money. It worth every penny. I will tell you why. When I first sniffed it in the mall, I was like, what the hell they made, man? This is the perfume I was looking for. This is me in the bottle. I just love it, and it was damn good. In first impression, I had fallen in love with it. I immediately made decision that I have to get this, because before I had original YSL Leaf, but that was too good for me. But when I sniffed this, I find this ultimate. This is the best perfume for me. It will suit me best. So I immediately picked this up. So let's check its notes. It has lavender, mandarin, bergamot in the top, and it has orange blossom, lavender, jasmine, sambac, and orchid in the middle. And in the base, it has Madagascar vanilla, tonka bean, ambergris, and vetiver. So let's spray and check the notes. I'm spraying it here. Hmm. In the opening, it smells little sharp, soapy because of the lavender. Definitely a lots of lavender note. Then I can smell the orange blossom and jasmine. The floral notes, yeah, beautiful. I like the opening. So the magic begins in the dry down, but still I like the lavender opening, I like the floral opening, and it's beautiful. I like the freshness of lavender. It does have the freshness in the opening, which I like very much. Lavender is dominant in the opening, and after some time the lavender gets mellowed, and the jasmine and orange blossom becomes prominent. I think my perfume has reached to its dry down. Though I love the its floral opening, but I am waiting for the vanilla. So yeah, it has reached to its vanillic dry down. It's amazing. It's so cozy, sweet, warm, rich, addictive vanilla. It's it's super cozy. It's so warm, like I cannot tell you, I cannot explain you. I mean, you have to get this to experience this. I cannot tell you in words. It's that good. And definitely smell the tonka bean, the rich, the warmth, the depth of tonka bean with the vanilla. And this vanilla is not ordinary vanilla. This is Madagascar vanilla, and Madagascar vanilla is world's best vanilla, and so creamy, so smooth. I just love it. Beautiful. Both vanilla and tonka bean make this perfume ultra luxurious. It is super heavy, super bold, sensuous, warm, so it cannot be used in summers. It's ideal for fall and winters. So in winters, it's going to be my signature scent, and definitely I will wear this a lot in winter. But in summer, uh, it will be a little heavy for me. And if I wear this in summer, I will wear it in the evening, not in daytime. A big no in daytime because it's definitely a night wear and evening. In summers, it will generate more heat, in my opinion, and you may feel more warm, so don't wear it in summer. And in winter, definitely it's going to do some magic, I believe. So it's a winter scent, it's a fall scent, it's not a summer scent or all year round scent. If you want all year round scent, then go original version YSL Lead. It's the all year round, but it's especially for cooler weather. And this perfume is not also for the faint-hearted women. This is for the women who have strong personality and who have bossy vibe, who is bold, sensuous, powerful. And this is not a girly girly kind of scent. This is not a very juvenile vanilla scent like some gourmand. This is a mature, this is sensual, sultry, sexy kind of vanilla. So it will suit women above 30 years old. So this is not a teenager scent. You can't wear it unless you are 30. I think libre is a word in French for liberty or something. So this perfume celebrates the free spirit of a woman, woman who is limitless, who is strong, who is bossy, who is elegant, who is sophisticated, who is high class. And it will be ideal for some date night parties, clubbing, uh, some intimate meetings, you know what I mean, and for some special occasions. Definitely it's not a regular everyday kind of scent. So if you are going for special dinner or to meet someone special or in some wedding, so this is for special occasion, not for everyday. Okay, so let's come to its longevity. So its longevity is insane. It stays on the skin for 5 to 6 hours, but it stays on clothes for days if you don't wash your clothes. And it projects like hell. It projects a lot, and it projects a lot in the winters. And it has moderate sillage. It projects for first 2 to 3 hours. I mean, people around you will notice you. It creates a bubble around you, so whenever you go, it leaves a trail behind, so people are able to smell you from a distance. This is the ultimate perfume for me. As you know, I am a vanilla lover, and to me, this is the best vanilla perfume in the world. Really, I have not smelled a better vanilla than this. So this is every vanilla lover's dream. So if you're a vanilla lover, please do try this. You will love this. I cannot tell you how much I love this. And if you wear this, if it will give you a boss lady vibe, and it will make you feel like you live in luxury mansions, and you have all the designer bags, you wear Gucci or Prada sunglasses, and you travel in a luxurious limousine car. Yeah, so in short, it smells like money. Definitely, it will make you smell like $1,000,000. And if you want to smell like $1,000,000, do try this. If you want to smell unforgettable, then use this perfume. If you want people to notice you, then try this perfume. If you want your perfume to speak first, then try this perfume. It will give you enormous power. If you wear this perfume, you don't need to do anything. You don't need to speak anything. Your perfume will do the talking. Your perfume will speak for you. To me, it smells like molten gold. If gold would have any smell, it would smell like this. You can see the juice color. You can see everything is so gorgeous. So I think every girl should experience this perfume in her life. This is that kind of perfume. At least you have to give this one a chance. It will never disappoint you. You cannot go wrong with YSL Leaf or Live Intense. I think every girl owns this perfume nowadays. This is like international bestseller perfume. So I think every girl owns this, and if you are someone who haven't experienced this yet, then definitely you should rush to the store and check this out and just get your hands on it. This is surely a head turner perfume, and people could smell you in a lot of crowd, and definitely a compliment getter. If you wear this, you are going to get a lot of compliments, and people will keep asking, what perfume are you wearing, what perfume are you wearing? So bold. This is a statement piece. You don't need any other perfume. If you have this perfume, is like my holy grail. I love you so much, Faisal Leaf. It is my heart. It has blown my heart. और क्या बताओ, मतलब अब जाओ जाके ले ही लो, ये परफ्यूम इतनी अच्छी है. And I am its fan. I just love it, and it will make you feel confident. So if you want to feel confident, then do try this. For me, I will give it 10 out of 10. Yeah, this is that good. Not 10 out of 10, I think 1000 out of 10. This is a 1000 out of 10 kind of perfume. If I don't have any other perfume, that will be okay. But without this, I cannot live. It's that good. So yeah, that was my review on YSL Leave Intense Perfume. I hope you guys like it. So much for today. Soon I will be back with another review. Till then, take care. Bye bye.